Hello guys, it's Spence from Onyx Automotive. After 8 months, we are finally back on YouTube, and I know you've got questions already to ask. Why have we been off? Why have we not been posting YouTube videos? Well, first off, yes, we have been super busy at Onyx from start to finish. Throughout this period of inactivity, we have been busy all the way through. Cars have been non-stop coming in. But today, I'm going to introduce you to the real reason why we have not been filming on YouTube. Because we have started something new, and today I'm going to introduce you to the second half of Onyx, and that is this unit behind me, Onyx Auto Bodies. So guys, this is Frank. He's currently working on the bumper for the A1 right now. Do you mind explaining to us what you're doing right now?
Yeah, so the bumper's come in. We painted off the bumper already, but the textured bit was damaged. So I'm basically repairing the damage on the textured bit, getting it ready, so then I can put some plastic adhesion on it, some more primer, then retexture it and resat it black basically, so it looks brand new again. Sick. To go with the rest of the car. So.
So this is the finished product now, pretty much.
Yeah. So basically we've applied the texture, we've dried that off with the heat. As soon as that's gone off, then we've put some satin black over it. Normally you'd replace these, but the customer didn't really want to pay for the replacement, so they can do what we've got.
Well, from my angle right now, being not really experienced with paint and bodywork, that right there looks brand new. You can literally see the textures within a space of 15 minutes, all done. Everyone's favourite part. That's actually amazing. What's this SV in for?
So this one here, we need to put this on axle stands, as we've got to do a smart repair on the sill cover. It had the carbon wrap on it, so we're having to remove all that first.
See that here as well, yeah.
Which we do that with a bit of heat, so we'll do it in the oven.
So I've been gone for about an hour, having my lunch, and I've come back. That was about an hour ago I filmed that, and he's already got to this point where it's smoothed down, it's back in shape.
Got to wait for that to set off now, and leave it about half an hour, 40 minutes. Come back to it, flat that section down, probably a little skimmer for filler, and then we're finished. We're ready to paint after the primer.
There you go, no messing about.
In and out, mate.
In and out. Even on the SVJs, just in and out, no messing about. So what's happening with the DB9?
So at the moment, just in for pretty much a paint on both wings. Morning frost pearl, 3-stage pearl. Obviously, in every 3 stages you have your brown coat that goes on first. Dry that off, then apply the pearl, depending on what sort of effect you're after and how much is the car, will be the effect of how many coats you put on for the pearl coat. And then just a simple, once everything's dry, clear coat process. Make everything shine, make everything look like it needs to, and that's the manufacturer's sort of spec again.
Obviously here we keep the lacquers and stuff.
Yeah.
But this is where we make the colours. We use like a hydrophone, which is Leclerc. They basically do everything. You type in the colour code in here.
So this is where you put in your colour code to match the exact colour. Yeah, and then does it tell you what paints to mix and what weights?
So let's do LC9X for example. Search it, it'll come up, Audi. Double click on that and it'll tell you all the different shades that you can mix that colour. If you look at that code there, it says GR. So you go to GR on here, which is here, and you 7509, which is that one. Which is it. You got your Volkswagen.
There you go, easy as that.
And then you basically go up to the car, you pick a colour, and then you put it on here, you mix it, you do a spray out card, and then if you're happy with the colour, you paint the car, basically. Some colours are more difficult than that though. Some colours you might have to send away to get them done at the lab.
Yeah.
We use Leopard, they're based in Middlewich.
Yeah.
So we just send the panel off to them and they mix us the colour.
Nice bit of kit.
That's right, man. We can spectral it ourselves as well, so if we can't find a colour, we put this to the panel, we take about 5 images, and then you start mixing the colour and there you go.
Here it is guys, literally 2 units down from Onyx Automotive. We've now got Onyx Auto Bodies. We've got some amazing experts. If you guys ever need full resprays, panels respraying, your dents, your scratches, any kind of vehicle body repair, you come straight to Onyx Auto Bodies, which is located, as I just mentioned, 2 units down from Onyx Automotive. That's the new repair shop. We will be posting videos from the Onyx Auto Bodies shop on the channel. So if you want to see any specific videos, full resprays, anything, you guys let us know down in the comments what you want to see. Anyway, we're going to go back into Onyx Automotive. I know you guys have missed that place, so let's go in and I'm going to show you what's going on in there. So in the first bay here at Onyx, we have this Toyota GR Yaris. I've got a little story to tell you that I have just been told about these cars. So, from factory, these cars come with a carbon wrapped roof. What we've done here at Onyx, we've peeled this wrap off, and from factory, in the carbon mold, actually has a wave in it, which Toyota kind of screwed up on. So what Frank's done is worked his magic over at Onyx Auto Bodies. What he's done is layered 5+ coats of lacquer onto the original OEM carbon with the wave in it. And then what he's done, once he's done that, let it dry, he's actually flattened it out, and now we've got the original exposed carbon from Toyota that they originally screwed up on the mold, now looking very flat and shiny. I'll show you a close-up right now. And now check it out. All the fresh lacquer on there, freshly polished. You can now see the exposed carbon. This is what it's meant to look like under the wrap. But personally, it looks so much better now. Frank has worked his magic, but not only have we done that to the roof, this car has also had full X-Belt paint protection. We have this brand new 2021 M4 competition. This car has not done any miles, it came straight from BMW. This car is also in for full X-Belt paint protection all over the car, protecting the whole car from stone chips and scratches. How many miles has this car got on it?
About 8, I think.
8 miles. Check out the interior. And now Brad is going to kindly tell us what's going on with the STO.
Come inside.
What's been done then, Brad?
So this has had full car PPF with some added red wrap by Rapper Stew. Shout out to Rapper Stew. Yeah, so Lamborghini STO, third one running.
Got another one coming in, haven't we?
Yeah, got another one coming, but it's the first matte painted STO coming. And that's coming with another special car.
We'll get a separate video on that. We're not going to tell them about that actually. I know about that car.
Can't be telling them about that chat.
Yeah, I think these new red accents fit very well with the current decals that are on the car. Let us know down in the comments what you think of these new Lamborghini STOs. I'm interested. I personally like them. Brad's a bit eh.
On the fence.
He's on the fence. I personally really like them. I think they look mean. But let us know what you think down in the comments. Moving on to the opposite side, in this PPF bay we have this Bentley First Edition Flying Spur. This car is currently in for a front end PPF. The boys are working on that right now. So there you have it guys, as you can see we are still super busy with everything. If you guys ever need any detailing work or PPF or anything to do with dents, scratches, any bodywork damage, make sure you come down to Onyx Automotive or Onyx Auto Bodies. And don't forget as well, we still have the same truck. If you'd like your car picked up or dropped off, feel free to inquire about that also. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.